Holy Jesus Christ, it's really hard to cut. How do I make it easier to cut it? I need some help.
Okay, please. Let me help you. Yeah, help you solve this problem. We have this new SB36. It features a sharp bit blade for precise cut on PVC plastic pipes, especially for thick pipes like this. Wow, very sharp. This color is compact, easy to use, allow quick blade replacement, and perfect for professional and DIY users. F106CR is perfect for cutting and gripping text on iron, copper, and stainless steel wires. Designed for repair work on NEP, so it features 3-function handles for easy and efficiency. FUJIYA 5/18, 5/10, 6/10, professional electrician scissors made of Japanese stainless steel materials. 30 blades and 1 stripping and gripping function, so especially for 5/18. Suitable for cutting welding cable up to 100 square millimeters and other materials like electric wires, laminating, and etc.
Deserve to own.